one question. We get it till it is not
Yeah, sure.
another
Go
8
ahead.
more minutes.
Yeah.
People are asking you a lot of questions. Don't disturb me, doctor. I am not disturbing your career. I am only an anchor. So,
Right.
out of some curiosity, I'm asking. Tell me, I don't believe in astrology. I am a Gnostic. Okay, you take
Okay.
it in that way. If everything happens as per our fate, then what is the role of our life, doctor? This looks
Well,
like very, very dry question, but
well,
somehow I'm not able to accept that.
yeah. And it's a very deep question you have asked, right? And
It
then
was deep in my mind. It has come out now.
yes, deep in your mind, your question is very deep. To give explanation in 5 minutes is going to be very hard, but I'll try my
Okay.
best. I'll try to squeeze it as short
Yeah.
as possible, because people can talk on this subject for hours.
Okay.
If you listen to any spiritual leaders,
Okay.
gurus and all, they will talk. But the thing is, yeah, you asked, if everything is determined by fate, what is the role of our life? What is it doing,
Correct.
right? Right.
Yes.
According to me, right? According to me and my experience and what I have observed, what things have happened in my life, all right? The thing is, yes, our life is majority of the events are fixed or already pre-written, right? Because of what we have done in our past lives.
Yeah.
But there is always I call it as a wiggle room, right? So since
Okay.
now people understand more mathematical numbers, right, there will be an opportunity in every person's life, like about 10 to 20% window is available. Only 80% is fixed. 20% window is available for us to do what we want. Because, like, again, right, your tomorrow is dependent on today. So if you have done everything based on the written script of past life, then you are not doing any karma at all, because you are only releasing karma. Unless you do a karma, then only it can decide whether it is good or bad. So if everything happens according to that, there is nothing to be classified. You are not accumulating in any new karma, right, in this life. So your tomorrow becomes a questionable. If I don't do anything, if I just do whatever, according to my past life in this janma, what will I be doing in the next life? Will I be a knowledge person, or will I be born as a dumb, or will I be born as a poor, or will I be born as a rich, or money, or whatever, right? Everything. Or will I attain moksha? No. All right. So that means what? There is an opportunity, there is window provided to us to do the karma. So if you look at every person's life, right, when you want to decide, it could be job, education, marriage, or anything, you will have two choices: this or that. Should I take this? Should I take that? Right? That is the free will. Okay. So once you do that, so that will give you opportunity for you to do more karma, right? And then do it. So whoever exercises that window of opportunity, right, whether it is good or bad, they only accumulate. It is applicable to criminals, it is applicable to the noble people, successful people. If you see, for example, let me give successful people's example. You ask them, you ask Bill Gates, or you ask any person, successful person, they will say, one day I was sitting, something flashed in my mind, this idea. They will catch that idea, and then they will work on it. That becomes the success, right? That becomes, if you ask them, nobody will say, I have been working on this idea, right, or that thought right from my childhood. No, most of the people will say, it just came in the flash of my mind. I caught it. So everybody, you, me, we all get those thoughts as a fraction of as a flashlight in our mind. Whoever catches that takes forward, makes it work on it. See, thought is like you get, everybody will be getting thoughts all the time, all random thoughts. We all think random thoughts, right? But in that random thought, there will be something very, very useful, good one. It could be a business entrepreneurial idea. It could be something to help people. It could be something, whatever it is, right? To study something, everything, it will come as a fraction of idea that will put you, you're laying foundations now to accumulate new karma, and that new karma, it depends upon your what you want to do. What you want to do. Oh, right. Same thing. If you look at criminals also, they will say, I've pushed to corner, something happened in my life. My mother got killed, my father, this, that, and everything. Still, there will be option, chance, choice would have been there for that person to do a good activity, but he would have chosen a bad thing. All right. And then he's accumulating even more bad karma. Say, let me give you an example. Simple, very simple, people will easily understand. Somebody did a crime, you are in jail. Okay. So jail, you are undergoing in the punishment. That is the result of your bad karma. Correct? In jail, if you behave properly, if you do a good behavior, there are so many things. Then the good chance that you will be released earlier. They will reduce your punishment period, right? And then you can start a new life. Same thing applies to everybody, right?
Good conduct.
With good conduct, right? Good
That's
conduct.
what jail authorities.
Yes, right? Good conduct and everything. So everywhere, even you do big crime and then you go to jail, you are in undergoing punishment. If you have a good conduct in that, so if you look at it, you are still undergoing the result of your bad karma, but there is a small opportunity for you to make good karma, all right, good conduct, whatever, and then your punishment period can be reduced, and then you will, after you finish your punishment, you come out and you start a new life based on the good karma. They will teach you all that, right? The same thing applies to life also.
Absolutely.
Right. So this is what people should make use of, that I call wiggle room, some people call free will, right? Everybody gets that. Everybody has that free will wiggle room in their life, right? It is like you are in a dark room is locked up, and at the same time, key is also inside the room. It is up to you to search and find the key and open the door out of it, right? So that is what will help us coming out of our karma, whatever we have done. I know
Thank
it's
you,
a
Doctor.
very deep question. We are
Yeah, no, we are just running out of time. It is already just 2 minutes past our scheduled time. So I thank you very much for enlightening many things during this live program, and also addressing these questions.
If you need astrology or palmistry consultation, please call me at 408-909-5867 or contact me on my website www.astrology4u.us. Thank you for watching again. Let's catch up on some other time.